This lesson will cover the process on how to use the reporting tools in OpenPlant PID, as well as using PlantSight tools to generate the reports. When the OpenPlant PID loads, go to the Piping ribbon menu. Then select the Reports button, and for this time, select the In-Drawing Reports tool. A list of predefined reports will load. Select the Equipment List report, then select the Place as Table button. Next is to pick the point in the drawing and place the report table there. Now notice that the pump doesn't have a description yet. Therefore, go into the PID drawing and right-click at the pump to open the Properties dialog and give it a description. In this case, it's going to be the offload feed pump. Then, select the report table again and right-click in the upper left-hand corner of that report frame and choose Refresh Table from Data Source. This will refresh the report, and now the new pump descriptions are added. Next is to use the External Reports command to generate the equipment data report that is based on this PID specifically. Select the report type and click Run Report button. It will load in the report editing tools. From here, the report can be exported to the PDF file or a multitude of other report formats, but notice that it only includes what's on this vessel in this PID. In this case, go back to the Report Selector dialog and enable this Cloud button to get the data from PlantSight, and run the same report again. And this time, it will show all the information across the entire project and not just this PID. This is a handy way to get a formatted report from the project without having to go anywhere else to do so. Next, let's switch over to PlantSight and take a look at some of our reporting features that are there. When the PlantSight project loads, go to the Queries node underneath the Data Manager tool. Then, select the default equipment list, and the query will execute automatically. Then simply click on the Export to Excel button. This is just a simple dump to the Excel. Give the file a name and click Save button to save the file. Let's check at this file in Microsoft Excel. The report is rather basic. It has the proper fields and cells, and the headers are on there. This can typically be used by most of our users for other purposes. Now let's take a look at the Advanced Query mode. In the upper right corner of the Query Builder, click on the Advanced mode, the customized query can be added here as this query example that was written by Bentley team. Then select a Save As button and give this query a name before saving it. And this time when the query executes and runs, notice that there is a slightly different view than what it is in the default queries that was in OpenPlant. This one identifies the components, the equipment, some more information, including the PID number that they're on, the file name, the PID title, and the subtitle as well. It will provide a little bit more information based on what's required in the query. These are all possible with advanced queries.